Perforce Helix DAM is digital asset management that empowers teams to streamline creative workflows and get to market faster with better products. Built on top of Helix Core, the industry-leading version control system for teams working with game engines, Helix DAM adds a visual interface that artists and designers can use to store, find, version, review, and share their creations. It lets your team speed up and secure the creative process, as well as maximize the use of all creative assets. How does Helix DAM do this? Let's take a look. Helix DAM lets your team find the asset they need when they need it with an artist-friendly web-based interface. It automatically generates previews of 2D, 3D, video, and audio files stored in your Helix Core server. These previews show up in a visual library on your dashboard. When you need to search for an item, you can find it quickly thanks to AI-generated tags, advanced filters, and collection grouping. Using Helix DAM, you can securely share any art asset with your team or with external collaborators. Permissions can be set so specific users only see results from specific projects or files. With the right permission, a user can view the asset, as well as copy it for use in another project, view previous iterations of it, and leave feedback for others directly on the preview. All from a web browser. With the Kanban board, you can quickly check where an asset is in the creative process. Is it still being drafted, in review, or was it approved? To move it forward or back a stage, you can simply drag and drop, making it unnecessary to share and review creative assets through less secure and efficient channels. Finally, Helix DAM makes version control invisible to creative teams. They can version directly through their favorite tools or through DAM's browser-based UI. Simplify and secure the creation, review, and versioning of your artist and designer's work while maximizing the use of their creations with Perforce Helix DAM.